Hi, my name is Shahina. Today's video I am going to show how you can add or remove any custom field from your checkout page. Also how you can edit those fields. You can glad to hear that it's a free plugin and this plugin use is amazing. It's very simple and easy. So before you start the tutorial, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you will be first get notified when I upload video. So let's start. Go to your WordPress dashboard. This is your WordPress dashboard. From here go to the plugins, click on add new, install a new plugin. From here search over here checkout field editor. Yes, this plugin name is checkout field editor. Yeah, this is the plugin and they have a very good review and 200,000 plus active installation. So click on it, install now. Then click on activate. That's fine, the plugin has been installed. Then go to the WooCommerce option. Here you can see the checkout from. This is the plugin name and then click on. This is the checkout field editor panel. From here you can add a new field, remove or enable or disable. Also from here you can edit your field. So first I'll show how you can add new field. So click on it, add field. This is the type. You can add password, email, phone, select text area, radio. This is the amazing. And this is the name field. Here you can add first name, last name, phone number, anything. You can add anything. You can type, select from here, then write name here. If you select phone number, then write here phone number, phone number. One thing to keep in mind is that all the characters here must be lowercase and use underscore in all the characters, otherwise you will be not able to add new field. We can check. If I use capital letter, then press it, then click on save it. We can see we can't add. Name ID must begin with a lowercase letter and used must be underscore, otherwise you can't add field. So write all lowercase, phone number. Then from here you can add label, your phone number. Here you can use anything, lowercase or uppercase, not matter. Then this is the placeholder and this is the required option. If you want your customer must be fill up this field, so that you click on the required field, or if you want to don't need to require it, then click on uncheck, then save. then save. We can see the name is added here. Also you can easily drag and drop field anywhere. First name, last name, then mobile number. You can easily drag and drop. After add field, click on save change and go to your checkout page. Refresh the browser. We can see the phone number has been added. Your phone number, this is the name, level, and if you want to add placeholder here, go to the checkout page, then edit this field. From here you can write placeholder, copy, just paste it, then save. After click on save change. Go to your checkout page, refresh. We can see the placeholder has been added. You can add any other field. You can also text. Then click on it, save, then save change. Go to checkout page, refresh. We can see the occupation field has been added, so you can use this field, easily drag and drop. First name, last name, phone number, then occupation. Then click on it, save change. So great, the occupation field has been added. So this is the very easy. You can do this easily. You can add any field. Now I am going to show how you can remove any one field from here. So go to checkout page. Here you can see the remove option. Another one thing, keep in mind, when you add new field or edit, you must use this billing. Otherwise you can't create new field. If you create a field without billing, your form will be break. So you can add billing company, billing first name, billing last name as like. Also use underscore, then first small letter, send every small letter or first small letter must be used. Now if you want to remove any field from here, then click on this box which you want to remove. I want to remove this one and another one, so just click on, then click on the remove, then save change. Then go to the checkout page, refresh. You can see that state address and occupation have been removed. You can see the occupation and state address too has been removed. So go to the checkout field, From here you can also enable or disable your field, so you can use later if you want. So click on this easily anything, then click on disable, then save change. You can simply disable this field. You can also use later. So go to the checkout page, refresh. You can see the first name, last name, first name, last name, phone number has been removed. So by this way you can easily remove this field. Go to the checkout field. You can also enable, just click on this, then enable, then save change, and click on the refresh the browser. Can see the first name, last name has been added. If you want to remove this last name, go to the here, then disable, then save change. From here you can also edit. Click on edit, first name, write your name, then save change. Click on it, save change, then refresh your browser. You can see the level has been changes. You can also add new field, remove, enable, disable from bottom. So this is the very easy and fast way. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Also click on the bell icon so that you will be fast get notified when I upload video. Also like, comment and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.